Hi guys, welcome to Techavro. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to remove background color from Camtasia. So first you have to open the Camtasia, then import media. So I'm importing media from here. Now drag it to the timeline. Now you have to click on this plus option and you'll find import media again. I'm making a color white background JPG. So you have to drag it to here. Okay, now how you can remove this white color, or how you can remove this background color. Okay, so all you have to just, you can change it to here, and you have to go to visual effects, click on this visual effects, scroll down, and you'll find here remove a color, this one, remove a color. All you have to just drag and drop to the this here, and you can see here right hand side color option. Click on drop down color and choose white, and then you can see that it has been removed. Okay, you can make the tolerance like this, or you can softness like this, and basically this is how you can remove a background color from uh, Camtasia. So guys, this, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.